the Amtrak platform here next to the depot here. They've got this caboose out. It's in Chessie system paint, looks pretty good. Chalked up on a piece of display track here, looks pretty good. And we're hearing something on the radio about a potential westbound. We're here on the C&O side. The NS is over that way, on the other side of the river. So we'll have to see if maybe we get some action here on the way down to Canova. We're only 15 minutes max, so we'll see what happens. We're here in Ashland, Kentucky, at the depot, and they got some interesting stuff up there at the above the bathrooms here and the vending machines. It's like a traffic light, a couple parking meters. It's like some G-scale trains up there. That's pretty cool. Maybe a lantern right there, I think. That's cool. And the building itself looks pretty nice too. The old depot here. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. We got a traffic light up there. And there's also a lantern, it looks like, right there. A yellow one. Some parking meters up there as well. Some G-scale CSX trains. There's a caboose, a bunch of hopper cars, there's a box car, and there's also a, looks like an SD40 over there. That's pretty cool. Inside the old depot here. Alrighty folks, here we go. Got a train coming. Let's see if I can get a spot here somewhere. We're here at the Ashland Amtrak station here. This probably isn't the best shot, but it's all we can do for now. Kind of snuck up on us here. We got an eastbound. Box car. Well, there you go. Not much train, but you got an eastbound here at Ashland. Sorry for the rough camera work. I was trying to stick my hand through this fence here. When I went to pan, sort of got caught against one of these bars here, so not the greatest video, but at least we got it. Something for the video, you know. And there's another look at the caboose. C&O 3187. And then if we take a quick look over here, see the side of the building, it's got the so you can't really see it here. Look over here, but it's got the C&O and it's got the date underneath it here. There you go, that's a little bit better. It says C&O 1906 up there on the end of the depot there. That's pretty cool. It's right on the end of the building next to the caboose that's out here. So got one here at Ashland. See if we can't get another one before we leave. Let's go ahead and get the next video started. All right, here we go. Some live action here. We got a westbound. Just had that eastbound go by. he'll be on the close track here, so this probably won't be the best angle, but here he comes. Here you go, we got Tubby along for the ride again. Almost every car. Alrighty folks, there you go. Got a westbound coal train headed towards Cincinnati. And there you go, Tubby rides again. Almost every car, in fact some of the cars I noticed actually had the word Tubby written on it, with a whole bunch of them. On there, so there you go. Looks like we got a eastbound and a westbound here for Ashland. Coal train headed for Cincinnati. Way out that way to the west. Oh, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get this next video started. Alright folks, well, here we are in Ashland. Within the last month or so, they tore out these two tracks through here. Put buffers on that one. Just as we were leaving, I spotted this this milepost right here. We can hike back to it real quick. I'm only gonna be here a second, just figured I'd show it off. Milepost 519. Looks pretty cool. And then we've got the other signals down there. This of course being the CSX side, the NS side's across the river. So Pretty cool little milepost. Just figured I'd show off real quick. Here we go. Here in Ashland, down here at the little park here. We got the highway over there. It almost sounds like there's a NS train over there. Although I don't think there is. But pretty cool down here at the river here in Ashland. Alrighty folks, here we go. Got a westbound here at Ashland. Got another westbound coal train, this time's loaded. Some nice EMD power and trail. In fact, while we're watching the train here, I just spotted on this rail that's been cut. It's got a 1944 date stamp on it, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's 7 or 8 dashes where the rail's been cut. That's pretty cool. Just figured I'd show that off while we're standing here. Folks, there goes westbound loaded coal going through Ashland, and I just noticed right down here on the rail, like I just showed before, we'll get a little bit of a closer look at it. It's got a 1944 date on it, and looks like 7 dashes, and they look close enough together that there wasn't another one cut. It's got a 1944 date stamp. It's 7 dashes on it. Not sure about the rest of it since it's been cut. It's pretty cool. Just noticed that while we're watching the coal train roll by. Alrighty folks, here we are in Cattlesburg, Kentucky. We're here next to the old depot here. And we've got this C&O caboose, C&O 3238. It's in a nice red. Also got a whistle post and a mile post over there. But check this out. It's got horns up there at the end of the caboose on this end. Got a train horn up there. That's pretty cool. Can't say I've seen that too much. Guess they used it for reverse moves and stuff like that. But it's nice. It's got this staircase here. I guess they don't mind if you walk up here and check it out. They got a lock on the door so you can't go inside of it, but we can take a look in it. Yeah, they've got a uniform in there. Can't really see with the glare, but they got some lanterns in there too. Zoom in on those ones. Red, white, and blue. How fitting. Well, it looks like a good chunk of it's still together, a good chunk of it's still in there. Then you've got a chair in there. You probably can't see with the glare. Then there's a computer monitor and some other stuff in there, but it's pretty cool. And we come over here, just get another look at the depot here. It's got some semaphores out front on the top of a crossing sign there, or a crossing signal. And we'll take a look at the whistle post here too. And then we'll hike up the hill here and get another look at the, it looks like it's only painted on one side. The C&O stuff, it's only painted on one side, but that's still a pretty cool caboose. Pretty cool. It's got the train horns on it on the one end. And Scott and Brian are down there taking a look at the depot. But this is a pretty cool place. Pretty neat.
Now here's what it looked like when we brought it in here. We had to bring it right there. Yeah. I loafed up there at McDonald's. And Frank there, he was on the line from here, from Ashland here all the way up to Virginia line up there.
Well, you guys did a lot of work to it. What year was this?
Really, that's 69.
69?
Yeah. Yeah, I cut that out for you.
It's been here since 1969?
We've already supposed to have here about 7 years ago. And I hit up to find it up there. Somebody told me about it and I okayed the guy with it, bought it. We got through had moved in here.
Here's some old C&O railroad land
Some of
here.
they call it, they played paper on here.
I got a collection of these, but I don't have a C&O.
This year they, after we got down here,
Yeah.
we done the floors.
Oh, nice. Got it really fixed up pretty nice.
They did a real good job
Here
here.
the train goes by.
Well, I tell you
Yeah,
what,
that's a nice looking
they
caboose.
went down there to Racing Yard, where we go to.
Yeah.
But they stopped here, come in here, get a cup of coffee. Had one guy stayed in here.
Alright everyone, ST70AH here from the editor's desk, just putting together this Ashland video here, and I just wanted to go ahead and clear a couple things up. Once we get to about 18 minutes in the video, we are at Catlettsburg, and in the video I refer to it as both Catlettsburg and Catlettsburg. However, it is Catlettsburg, Kentucky. So I just wanted to clear that up. And at about 18:20, minute mark 18:20, we get invited inside the Catlettsburg train station, and the first half of the video, the audio is corrupted, so I had to cut it out, can't use it. So I'm just going to give a quick little explanation here. So this side of the depot we are currently in is was the whites only side, because back in the day this depot was segregated. So the larger side of the depot that you'll see scenes from was from the whites only side, where this stuff is on display, and there's quite a bit of stuff on display and along some of the other walls, and at the back towards the back of the depot. And we cross through the kitchen here where the ticket office used to be, and we looked through this window, and this was the blacks only side, because as I said before, back in the day this depot used to be segregated. So I just wanted to go ahead and clear that up, because part of the video had to be cut out. So just wanted to go ahead and clear that up. Let's get back to the video. And here in this display case is not only a Chessie system hard hat, but also some timetables, some C&O and B&O timetables. I just picked up a few of those from an antique mall I went to last weekend. In fact, there was a couple of those ones, a nickel plate Erie, and then Pennsylvania one as well. So that's pretty cool to see some more out here being displayed. It's pretty cool to see. They've got some interesting stuff in some cases over there, and then they've got some other stuff over on that side we'll take a look at here in a little bit. But this is pretty cool. See this all being preserved like this. This is pretty cool. Here we got some more stuff up along the walls. This is pretty cool. A lot of military stuff over on this side.
Staying away from the train and on the other side of the wall.
Pretty cool. See it all still here. Sorry, inside the Catlettsburg train station here. I think this would be a pretty cool spot to do some presentations. Looks like that's what they've been using it for. We got all these table and chairs set up, and then you got a pretty good projector screen up there you could do something with. Be pretty cool to do the Chessie Steam Special presentation up here. And you can rent this out, so future opportunities maybe, who knows. All right, folks, here we go. Got some live action right here. Got a train coming. That was a short one. Not too much train, but saw the signals lit up when we were leaving, so we figured we'd just pull off and see if we get anything, and there he goes, flying westbound towards Cincinnati. All right, that was pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get this slideshow started. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and here's the slideshow.